Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about there is a new topic that is a multiple window handle and tabs. Multiple windows are tabs. Okay. And here what happened, right? Previous videos we have seen that web handling and like different kind of web handling, and now we are going to do for Windows. Windows and tabs is nothing but when you click this particular one, it will give for new tab. Okay. If you click for that particular button, it will give for new windows. This is called a windows. Okay, means separate browsers. It will open for separate browsers. We need to handle for this kind of approach. Okay, how we can able to do this one. Okay, now without wasting your time, I'll go and do it. Okay, first we need to take the parent one. Okay, constant parent. Okay, window driver dot get window. There are two methods: get all window handles or window handle. Okay, window handle, it will return for current focused browser ID. Okay, this will create for unique IDs. Okay, then we need to click for this particular element to open for a new tab. Okay, now I'm going to take the path of this particular window. Here it is there, and there is a ID. Okay, I'll create for CSS selector hash id and then dev. Okay, inside the dev I have for button. Okay, this is my focused tab. Okay, we can take for contains text, or you can able to use that as well. It will work out. Okay, and wait, driver dot find element. Okay, by dot css. Okay, now I'm going to use for my value dot click. Okay, it will open for new tab. Okay, then I need to get the childs. Okay, for the childs we need to use for child. Okay, await driver dot get handles, because it will need to get the list of or tabs it is opened. Okay, now from here we need to rotate the for each loop. Okay, for each loop or for loop you can able to use based upon that. Even you can use for while loop as well. Okay, anything it will work out. Okay, now here what I can do: first constant handle of child. Okay, and then we need to use for here, if my handle is not equal to parent, then we need to switch. Okay, driver dot switch to dot window. Okay, that we need to use for handle. Okay, we are able to switch. Then what we need to get? We need to get the title, and then we need to print, and then we need to close that particular driver which is opened. Okay, driver dot close. We are closing that particular window. Okay, once we are closed, we need to wait for some time to see whether it is closed or not. Okay, and then I need to switch the parent window and then get the title, and then I need to print the title of that particular parent. Okay, that we are going to do now. Okay, now again I'm rotating the this particular file. I'm going to run and show you whether it will be closed or not, and also it will get the title of the parent or not. Okay, now it is open the browser and it is clicked, and then it is closed, and the main also it is there. If you see here, the child it is having for the this particular title, and also if you see here, parent window. Okay, the titles are matched. Okay, now we are able to do for tabs, we are able to use the same functionality, and we are able to do, right, the same code which we can able to use for the new tabs as well. Okay, if you go ahead here and there is id. Okay, for this I can go ahead and comment on this particular line first. Okay, and then I'll use it here. I'll copy again one more time this id. Okay, and I can paste it here. Okay, same the same code, because the tabs and windows the similar format of code will work out. Okay, now same format again I'm going to use the same title is switching and closing, and again doing for that all the things. Okay, one by one. Now again I'm running. This is basically a windows, like separate windows, it is opening the browser windows, right? After you click multiple windows, it is happening. And there also we are going to capture one by one, we are closing one by one, and we are verifying the titles. Now see, all the things is perfect. First child, it is focused one, it is going the child and the playwright one, and then parent is came back, okay, and the second child is become that selenium, and again it is went for this particular automation. Okay, like this it is moving and it is doing. Okay, perfectly it is done, right? The tabs and windows, it will help you for that. Okay, but window means nothing like a, if you have browser window it will work out. If it is system window it will not work out. For that you have to use for separate actions. Okay, I hope it this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.